Welcome everybody to this presentation and this award ceremony. I called Jackie Nelson just a little while ago to let her know that I needed her for a really quick Ali Institute meeting because she's our Ali Institute teacher leader. And so Jackie does not know that this is happening. Jackie, congratulations. You are ExCEL Award winner, so deserving. We're so very proud of you. And I can't tell you, Jackie, how proud I am and how deserving you are for this award. And so I'm gonna gather your thoughts a minute. Just watch this little slideshow we've got prepared for you, and then we'll let I'll turn it over to Dr. Polio. But I hope you enjoyed this little presentation here.
Congratulations, Jackie. It's very well deserved.
Congratulations, Jackie. I can't think of a better candidate for this award. You are amazing, and I feel so grateful to work with you. Awesome.
Hi, Jackie. Congratulations. Working with Jackie Nelson has been so inspiring. She's so knowledgeable about curriculum instruction, and I've learned a lot from her.
Congratulations, Ms. Nelson. I'm so happy for you, and I'm so grateful to have had you as a teacher because you're absolutely amazing. And yeah, thank you.
Hey, Ms. Nelson, congratulations on your ExCEL Award. No one's more deserving, and I love working with you with our freshmen, and hope I could be an English teacher with you again someday. But great job. I'm so proud of you, and
congratulations, Ms. Nelson.
Jackie Nelson, congratulations. I'm so proud of you. I can't think of anyone else who deserves an award like this more than you. And I know that you're going to do great things in the coming days and months ahead. And I want to say congratulations on behalf of Central High School.
Great job, Ms. Nelson. Well-deserved honor.
So Jackie, when we think about, the quintessential teacher, that is you. You have the perfect balance of old school and new school. You are so creative and innovative, yet at the same time give all the best practices that a principal wants out of a veteran teacher. I wish that my children could learn from you. You are, just an absolute blessing and a gift to the Central community. And I want to just say congratulations, and you are worthy of all this attention and honor and praise on this occasion. And we're very proud of you. So I want to turn it over now to our superintendent, Dr. Polio, so that he can have a few words.
Thank you, Mr. Green. I appreciate it. And Ms. Nelson, congratulations. This is such an honor. I'll just have you know that I think we've done about 5 or 6 of these over the course of the past month. And over the past decade or so, I know it's been the people that I have seen get this award are the best of the best. The teachers that I know, the few teachers that I had at schools that received the ExCEL Award are just special teachers and special people. So you are joining an elite club of fantastic educators. I consider it to kind of be the ExCEL Award, to be like a Hall of Fame of teachers in this community. And so clearly it is very well deserved, as I was reading about, the things that you do. And, I've been thinking recently, I've said this a couple times, but kind of putting together what an ExCEL Award teacher, what they all seem to have in common, because they're very different in many ways when it comes to elementary, middle, high school, different types of schools, different types of, could be an English teacher, it could be a welding teacher, and everything in between. But you all have something in common. Number one is you'll do whatever you need to do to engage kids and support kids. And I know that during the pandemic, you displayed this, going to kids' houses, making sure they had what they need to be successful. And you were going to do whatever the kids needed to be successful. And there is no doubt all of the ExCEL Award teachers that I see have this special quality, which is it's about the children, and I'll do anything I can so that they're successful. And so that's the number one thing. The number two that I've been so impressed is you become a leader in your profession. You use your expertise to help others, whether it be professional development, whether it be PLCs, whether it be training other teachers. And I know you've trained a great amount of teachers on social justice and art, and how we can impact students through that cross-section of the arts and social justice. And it's just an incredible thing. And I want to read what because I think it says a lot what Dr. Coleman said about you, our Chief Academic Officer. Jackie Nelson models for us the kind of learning experience all students must have if we are truly serious about eliminating opportunity and achievement gaps within our system. She inspires her students to express themselves in ways that showcases their unique talents, personal passions, and lived experiences. She has shown us what it looks like when content standards are connected in ways that are meaningful and relevant while also maintaining the highest expectations for academic learning. As a result of Jackie's approach, her students take great pride in creating work of the very high quality. Not only is the work beautiful, it serves as a powerful vehicle for students' voices. I don't know if there could be anything better to have said about a teacher than that right there. And just seeing some of these words that are in this, inspires, passion, connection, relevant, high expectations. I mean, beautiful, powerful vehicle. I mean, these are words that express what a great teacher does. And they are words to express what you do for kids every day in JCPS and Central High School. So I am honored to be here today to present you with the ExCEL Award for 2021. I want to thank once again LG&E KU and also WHAS 11 for creating this Hall of Fame for teachers. But I do want to congratulate you. I know the many, many, many days and hours you have put into this profession. This is a small token of our appreciation for what you do. Congratulations.
Thank you all so much. I am just overwhelmed. I'm stunned, at a loss for words. But for the past 18 years, I just wanted to be a good teacher and help kids, never expecting any kind of award or anything like that. But I'm just so grateful. Thank you, Mr. Green. I'm gonna get you.
That's okay. Listen, Mr. Founder has something he wants to say to you really quickly too, Jackie, all right?
Mm-hmm.
Jackie, I was called into the office to help out with Mr. Green. I just found out about it this morning too. So while we was talking in the hallway, I figured out what this was. But what I did want to say is when we talk about our vision of relentlessly continuing our tradition of leaders of positive social change, your work over the past 4 years with the Ali program, and not only that, but just our conversations in dealing with the freshmen. And when you came to me and said, hey, founder, we need to look at this, or we need to think of that. Your passion is unmatched for not just building great kids, but building great human beings. And I think that's also a testament to your daughter, which was a student here. What I found out is great teachers are usually great parents. And I can say in dealing with you on both sides, you are both. Thank you for everything you've done here at Central.
Mr. Founder.
Yes, sir.
I just wanted, what's up, man?
I see you.
All right, you just never know. That's why I tried to teach you, didn't I? You just
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'll keep one in my office now.
All right.
Thank you all so much. I really, really appreciate this. I really do.
Mm-hmm. Well, and Jackie, I'm Liz Pratt. I know I'm probably someone that you've not met here on screen. Haley Minot with WHAS, if it's okay, we'd love to also share with you a little bit more about the ExCEL Award and what's coming next.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Hello, Miss Nelson. It's nice to meet you. My name is Haley Minogue, like Liz said. I am an anchor and reporter at WHAS 11, the ABC station here in Louisville, of course. So we have been honoring teachers with the ExCEL Award for decades. We go and find teachers who are going above and beyond for their community, that are making lasting impacts. And reading your nomination form, it was just so clear that your students love you so much. We look at these packets every week. We're finding teachers who are going above and doing the greatest things. And I don't think I have seen a teacher in my time doing this ExCEL Award that had something listed, she's in charge of this program. And I said, oh, how do I take that class? Can I go back to Central High School? How do I get to take this class? Like, this sounds so cool. So, and you know, it just talked about your relationships with students, you know, especially in NTI. I know it's been really tough for a lot of people, and I just want to say thank you. And our community really is a better place for having teachers like you. And I just can't say enough great things about what I was able to learn about you. So virtually, I'm going to go ahead and present you with this big golden apple. We're going to find a way to get one to you. It's deceptively heavy, so be careful when you get it. But congratulations. Thank you so much for all you do for our community. We are very lucky to have you. So here is your golden apple.
Thank you so much. You don't believe this?
Well, and Jackie, I'm Liz Pratt again. So on behalf of LG&E and KU, I'm very grateful to be here on behalf of the company and to present to you the second half of the ExCEL Award. So I know it was a surprise to you that you were receiving this recognition. But as Haley said, we do get an opportunity to read your nomination packet and learn more about you before the awards. So I just have to say, you know, we are so grateful to be a part of this program because it is such a great opportunity to recognize the exceptional educators we have in our community and the impacts that you're making for your students, but also for our community. And, you know, especially, you know, we get to recognize, as Dr. Polio said, the different areas of education, but you represent the power and the impact that can be made through artistic and self-expression. So we are so grateful for all of the educators that we have. And, you know, at the high school level, you truly are creating our community's next leaders. So we are just so grateful for you and what you're doing here for your students and your school and our community, especially over this past year. It's really shined an important spotlight on just the importance of our education and our districts and what you guys have been doing and stepping forward for our students to really be there for them when they need it. So on behalf of LG&E and KU, it is my privilege to present to you today an award for $1,000 to be used with your students and in your classroom. And so we, again, are just so grateful for you and just want to help celebrate with you today during your award.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much. Wow. I'm going to do a lot with that.
Good, good. Well, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Oh, this is an honor. It really is. I'm at a loss for words, you all. I'm shocked. I'm so shocked. Oh gosh. I don't know what else to say, you all. I'm just, my students are sitting here working and not paying attention.
They're in the classroom with you right now?
Yes, they are.
I love that. They're so good, but they must be really well behaved because I haven't heard them scream one time and I would be scared.
Yeah, all of my students are good. They're all good.
So we're disrupting your class here, huh?
You are, so I really do need to get back with them.
We're the disruption today.
That's what makes you an awesome teacher, Jackie. Well, congratulations again. We won't prolong it. And I can't wait to see the awesome things you do with that $1,000. And if we could triple it, it still wouldn't be enough. So yeah. Congratulations. And thank you to Dr. Polio. Thank you, WHS 11. Thank you, LG&E. We really appreciate that. And Jackie, keep up the great work.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.